Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Finding the ideal brokerage company really comes down to your personal investing goals and what you prioritize. We're talking about things like fees, what kind of trading tools they offer, and how good their customer support is. The best choice isn't universal. It's really about finding the one that perfectly aligns with what you need for your investments, making sure your money works hard for you. When you're looking for a brokerage, one of the first things to consider is the cost. Many of the top companies now offer commission-free trading for stocks and exchange-traded funds, which is fantastic for your bottom line. However, always keep an eye out for potential hidden fees, like account maintenance or inactivity charges, because keeping those costs low really helps maximize your overall returns over time. Beyond just executing trades, a great brokerage offers powerful research and analytical tools. These resources are super helpful, giving you the insights you need to make really informed decisions about your investments. Look for features like customizable charts, advanced stock screeners, and maybe even a good library of educational content, all designed to empower your investing journey. Reliable customer support might seem like a small detail, but it's actually incredibly important for a smooth investing experience. You want to know that if you have a question or an issue, help is readily available, whether that's through phone, chat, or email. A responsive and helpful support team can truly make all the difference, especially when you're just starting out on your investment path. So, finding the absolute best brokerage really comes down to finding your perfect match, one that genuinely aligns with your investment style, your level of experience, and your specific financial goals. Sometimes, it helps to test out a few different platforms, maybe with some small investments or through paper trading, just to get a feel. Ultimately, your ideal brokerage should help you feel confident and secure as you navigate your financial journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.